What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, turn it red to gray. Me and the little man, we're gonna try to catch some fish. Alright, so we have a Texas rig MB fat finesse worm, and we have our buzz bait. So we're gonna try to get those. Bradley, what are you throwing?
I'm trying to catch fish on top water.
Let me see what you got. You got the Ozark Trail Whopper Plopper. For some top water. Alright. Smells fishy back here, doesn't it? You make sure you look out for gators and snakes, though.
Make sure we don't walk past one, like follow down to the white bridge. My stomach hurts.
He's right in front of that grass. You don't see him, Lynn? Stop before you make it worse. Let me see.
It's trapped on a little.
You need to be a little bit more careful, okay?
Now my question is, how are you gonna get up?
Same way I got down. I'm gonna give you one cast over here, though. Thing cast fire.
Good at casting, also.
Oh, here. Real.
Oh, that's a big one.
It is. Come on, get up. Get him up. Come here, I'll help you. Come here. Oh, I stepped in the ant pile.
I got a big one. I got a big one.
Yep. That's a decent sized one, ain't it?
Oh, it hooks him right in the gill.
Yeah. That's what happens when you're throwing treble hooks.
How are you gonna get it out?
Magic.
Oh, he's hooked right into the gill.
Now he's in his fin. Jeez. Alright.
A good fish for a good fight.
Here, 2 hands.
Fish for a good fight.
Yeah, look at that guy. Nice fish. Good job, dude. Hey. Fist bump. Oh, damn. If I can find a fish down here. Can't let knucklehead catch them all. There's a crap ton of fish right here. What? Yes. Yeah, got one. Little guy. Huh? Yeah, it's a little guy. Alright, first guy on the MB fat finesse worm. Oh man, you got it right in the eyeball. Oh, right under his eyeball. Yeah, we got the hook out of this guy. Able to save his eyeball. Look, he got it right underneath his eyeball.
Oh, you can see the hook mark.
Yeah, he's alright though.
You see it like right there.
Yeah,
Bottom.
it's okay.
he must.
He said that bait looks so good, that worm looks so good. I'm gonna stick my eyeball in it.
Can we
Alright, y'all. That does it for today. It was only those 3 fish, but we got a nice air show going on, so we're gonna go and watch the jets fly around, as you can probably hear in the background. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, if you guys want to pick up one of these 863 Bassin hats, I'll leave the Shopify link down in the description of this video. Every single person who picks up a hat gets a bait for free. So click that link, pick yourself up a hat. I'll ship you a free 6 cents bait in the mail. Enjoy that grind.